You will be told a story. Listen to the story carefully. Then you will be asked questions about the story. Correct answers will be displayed at the end of the test. Enjoy watching.
In a distant realm known as Celestria, a prophecy foretold the rise of a chosen one who would harness the power of the starlight crystals to save the realm from impending darkness. The prophecy spoke of a young adventurer named Lumi, marked by a celestial birthmark. Lumi, an orphan with a mysterious past, discovered her destiny when she stumbled upon an ancient tome in the library of the Silver Moon City. The tome detailed the locations of the scattered starlight crystals, each possessing unique magical properties. Guided by the prophecy and fueled by an inner calling, Lumi set out on a quest to find the starlight crystals. Along the journey, she encountered mythical creatures, solved riddles left by ancient guardians, and faced challenges that tested her courage and wisdom. As Lumi collected the starlight crystals, their magic infused her with extraordinary abilities. She could manipulate elements, heal wounds with a touch, and communicate with celestial beings. The realm of Celestria began to respond to her presence, and the darkness that loomed over the land began to recede. In the heart of the celestial nexus, Lumi faced the ultimate challenge, a confrontation with the Shadow Sovereign, an ancient entity corrupted by dark magic. The Shadow Sovereign sought to extinguish the starlight crystals and plunge Celestria into eternal night. In a climactic battle, Lumi utilized the power of the starlight crystals to weaken the Shadow Sovereign. With each crystal she activated, the darkness lifted, revealing the true beauty of Celestria. As the last crystal shimmered with radiant light, the Shadow Sovereign was vanquished. The realm celebrated Lumi as the savior prophesied in ancient lore. The starlight crystals, now united, formed a celestial constellation in the night sky, a reminder of the hero who brought light to the darkness.